Everything happened during wedding is a lifelong memory to treasure, including the moment when we say, yes I do. We're Mr. Yes Wedding Studio, specializing in capture every happiness for newlyweds. Due to the pandemic, some friends overseas cannot attend the wedding. Mr. Yes provides send-it edit service, which can carry out the wedding ceremony video in a short period of time. The video can be broadcast in the wedding reception and be shared with those who cannot attend and spread the happiness. We usually send 3 to 5 videographers to do a multi-camera shooting during a wedding event, and Kingston's Workflow Station saves our day. In general, we will collect footage around 400 GB on wedding day. It is very time-consuming to transfer, not to mention how long it takes if we need to transfer all the files into our computer from multiple cameras. With Kingston's Workflow Station, you can transfer files from multiple memory cards simultaneously, up to 4 readers and with 8 memory cards. It allows us to consolidate and transfer all the materials in a shortest time, which can really be time efficient. The Workflow Station is fully configurable, so we can adjust readers as required. We use SD card the most, and sometimes we use microSD card if we're filming with drones and GoPros. In this case, we just need to change the reader on the dock, no need to reattach the whole device. Workflow Station is very lightweight. It's not a burden at all for a videographer who need to carry multiple cameras and lenses. Besides using the readers with the dock, we can also use each readers on the go for simple shooting requests. Nowadays, there's a high demand for ultra-high resolution videos, which makes the file larger than ever. It takes quarter of an hour just to extract one video, if transfer speed are not fast enough. Kingston's Workflow Station supports USB 3.2 speed, which can transfer files from multiple memory cards with highest reading speed and reensuring stability. Kingston also launched the Canvas React Plus memory cards, which is designed for 4K, 8K high-resolution filming. With U30 and V90 speed classes, Canvas React Plus memory cards enable us to execute the creativity without experiencing slow, insufficient write speed and drop frames. Definitely the best card for professional videographers. The high quality and reliability of Kingston Workflow Station makes us handier in video post-production, and it's a trustworthy partner for us, just like Mr. Yes, a trustworthy partner for the newlyweds.